I'm very excited to feature a brand new unboxing of a limited edition Benchmade. This is the Mini Adamas, and this specific one is the Mini Adamas CPM-Cruwear. Features Cobalt black coyote finish to it. It is beautiful. So what do you get when you buy one of those? Well, first of all, it's gonna set you back around $250 or even $300 because this is a limited edition. And look at the beautiful red scales of this one, reddish black, and that makes it extremely nice looking as well. If you've never seen the Adamas line, this is one of the top of the line knives that they actually feature. The only thing I dislike about it doesn't have this side thing that you can easily open it up. You have to use your finger to go ahead and open it. It opens extremely fast like a dream. Well, today we feature a brand new knife over here. This is the limited edition, the CPM Mini Adamas. If you never actually seen a Mini Adamas before, it is one of the best Benchmade knives on the market today. It is worth over $300. This knife all by itself is the limited edition version of it. It features a karaoke, and this one is almost a reddish right here. It is brown, reddish, blackish, I don't know what you call it, but it is just beautiful. The blade itself is CPM, and this is top of the line knife that they actually make, and it's otherwise known as a Mini Adamas. If you're interested and want to see this more, let's go ahead and do up close and personal of it. So up close and personal, you can see that this is a beautiful handmade knife over here. What I like the most about this, 3 different holes, really big over here, and it makes this knife exceptionally well made. And since this is a limited edition version, you can tell it is kind of a reddish tint going all over this actual knife. What I like the most about this is how beautiful it actually opens, how easy it opens, and how nice this knife actually looks. And a limited edition version such as this is rare. This is why the cost of it is over around $300 for it. If you get this on sale for much cheaper, it gives you a very good deal on it. What I love about this is just how easily the grip is in your hand, how easily you can hold it, how beautiful this knife actually is, and how awesome it is when you are holding it too. The grip is great, the feel is good, the dripping on it on the top is awesome as well. And this is something you should get for yourself for your collection. This is not just a regular knife. And the Mini Adamas, if you've never seen an expensive knife before, this one is it. This is awesome knife. This is just not something that everybody has. And if you want to differentiate and be different than everyone, you want to get something that is unusual and different. And this is it. Awesome knife, beautiful knife. It is something you should definitely consider to add to your collection. And you can see how beautiful it actually is in every kind of way. The holes, the karaoke finish, and the CPM blade, giving this a very substantial and beautiful look to this. This is something that easily for you to grip in your hands. You can see here how it grips very, very well. And of course, how it opens and closes, the sound it makes, how easily it opens up, and how easily it closes. And best of all, the grip. See how grippy this thing is. And it has features, no hot spots whatsoever. Let's go ahead and do a hands-on inspection of it so you can check it out. This specific one, the CPM addition to this, features very nice scales, something I have not seen in many knives. And if you zoom up close and personal, you can see the scales, how beautiful this thing is. So it's like a mix between black and white all together. It's like silver-like material, very beautiful grayish finish to this. On the other side, you can tell that this is a limited edition version. It even says on here limited edition, and then it says CPM, which is Cruwear. it is one of the finest and one of the most beautiful and sought after blades that Benchmade actually makes. The knife itself is exceptionally beautiful. You can see over here how nice this core coating actually is. And it does change with the sun. So let's go ahead and get some light over here just to show you how it actually changes the glow and everything when some really harsh light source goes ahead and gets around it. Take a look at this. So this is beautiful, and it shines even better with the lights going right on this. Take a look at that. Yes, yes, this is great. Now, if you're thinking about getting one of those, you definitely should get, because this limited edition version is not something you can get your hands on very easily. It opens and closes extremely nice as well. I like the way it actually feels in your hand. It actually feels very natural, very good when you're holding it, and opening and closing it is exceptionally easy as well too. Something you should consider when you're buying one of those knives. Definitely the knife for the collector, not your usual everyday carry. It is not something you're going to be carrying it around unless you need some high-end, very beautiful looking knife such as this one over here. It closes and opens extremely well. I love the 3 holes over here that you can see inside what is inside of here. And opening it up, look how fast and easy it actually opens, and the sound it makes. Loving the sound. Loving this sound. I can't help it. Love it. Here. And this. The mechanism here. If you've never seen a very expensive knife, you will understand how nice they are when you open and close them up. Versus a cheap knife. You don't get the same feeling. You also don't get the same frigid factor to them as well. And holding it, you can see over here, this is made for your hand just to hold it. There is no hot spots at all. And it also features in the top a lot of location where you can add to the press in case you need to cut things. You see, it gives you this edge that you don't get in a lot of knives. And it feels really good over here. On the bottom, you can see there is this thing right here that goes right in there. It's like an indent, but you can't actually put your finger in here, so this should be good enough for you to hold it and everything else. Overall, it is decent, beautiful, and exceptionally nice looking knife that you should definitely get your hands on. It is worth every penny. And for $250, you're getting a good deal, because this thing is gonna go much higher. I could totally see this becoming a $400 knife in the future, because this is a limited edition, especially made by Benchmade, which is known to make exceptionally well-made and expensive knives.